guys, this is Kate from Spring Brook Marina, and today I am sitting on a Barletta L23QCSS. It's a quad lounge with a co-captain's chair and sport stern seating. I'm gonna go through some options, tell you a little bit about it, and let me know if you have any questions. This boat is a tri-tune. It comes with the blackout package and is gray and white for the color combination. Barletta does come with a 10-year bow to stern warranty. Something that Barletta does a little bit differently is that the tubes are 26 inches in diameter, and they also have a full-length exterior wave tamer. This boat is equipped with a 250 horsepower Mercury engine with DTS. It has a 48-gallon fuel tank, which is super easy to access right here in the aft. Also has great fender storage along each side. Barletta uses an awesome stereo system. It's Hertz, and this one also has a stereo remote right by the swim deck where you can change the channel or adjust the volume. Since this boat is a tri-tune, we're actually able to use the center tune for some storage. This one has a ton of space. I'm a huge fan of the Simrand unit. This one's a 7-inch screen. One of the features it includes is a depth finder, so it's really helpful for us on the Illinois River, where you can come up on some pretty shallow spots. Now, a couple of features that I want to talk about that are typically an option from other pontoon boats, but Barletta has as standards. The first one being the power bimini. So by the touch of a button, you can lower this down as far as you want to go. So the second one is the snapless playpen cover. So this is the cover that keeps your boat clean after you're done being out on the water. So instead of snaps that go all the way around your boat, instead they have clips. The next thing I want to point out on this boat is the changing room. So this is directly in front of the co-captain's chair. There is tons of storage around the helm. There's also a cabinet for the garbage can. One of my favorites is the dog dish. So if you don't have a dog, you can also use it for phones and wallets to keep them safe and dry. Thank you for joining me today on the Barletta L23QCSS. Hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.